Hey, so you're going to see how I remove door edge dents on this brand new nice Cadillac Escalade. So let's go out and take a look at the damage. Now my customer had brought this in because somebody rubbed up against his driver's side rear door here, probably with a bumper, putting a dent right along the edge and a little bit in front of the edge, putting a small crease in there. You can see how much that edge is definitely pushed in. And we need a special tool to use that. So you're going to see that next. So let's pull it inside, we'll get it under our better lights, get a better idea of what we're looking at. So now that I have it inside under my Paintless Dent Repair light, you can see how much this is definitely pushed in right on the edge, probably half an inch, maybe almost an inch right along the edge, and there's also a crease right in front of it. And with that crease, I'm starting with the glue pulling method to just pull out as much as I can along that edge, just because there is limited access there. And you can see here that this little bit of work just minimized, took care of that little bit of dent in the front. And if you'd like to see any more glue pulling method videos, click the link right at the top. Now I'm starting to work on the edge, and this special door edge dent removal tool that I have here is called the Edge Jack tool, and it's designed just for removing dents and edges. Now we can remove small dents, or in this case obviously this longer door edge that's pushed in. I'm using this tool, slowly pushing it up with some special tips that are attached to it. Also taking this hammer to it a little bit here, just smoothing out the edges from both sides. Now when doing this, this edge gets wrapped around the inner seam because it's glued and sealed right along this edge, and I have to tap that down just to smooth out that edge just a little bit, getting it as smooth as possible. Now I'm continuing with this edge tool, just slowly bringing up the edge just a little bit at a time until I get it completely flat. Now in a few minutes I'm going to show you all the tools that I used and the different tips that were used with this tool. I've got some special rubber and plastic tips. They attach just to the bottom of this edge tool, and then using this glue pulling squeeze trigger tool to gently lift up the damage. Now just doing some last finishing touches here with a whale tail tool that we use just to get right next to this edge to lift up and tweak the last little bit to get this as smooth and excellent as possible. And you also see that tool here coming up next when I show you all the tools that we use with this door edge dent repair. Now here you can see I started with the glue pulling method, used a couple of glue tabs and the glue gun. I've got my couple of hammers with a rubber ball tip on it and also some plastic knockdown tools. Obviously here is the door edge dent tool, the Edge Jack, with a couple of different plastic and rubber tips to push up that edge, and also the squeeze trigger. I will have links to all these down in the description, so check down there if that's something you want to check out and take a look at. And here is a finished result. You can see how smooth that edge is now. It's completely flat, leveled up with the rest of the edge, and no damage, no noticeable damage at all. And you can even see from the inside with the seam sealer and the edge of the door, there's no damage on the inside from using this tool. Typically before, if people would have smashed it and hammered it, it would just ding this up, tore up the paint, tore up the seam sealer. With this edge tool, obviously gave me some excellent results. I'll pull it back outside here, take a closer look at the damage outdoors. Now if you need any kind of paintless dent repair done, whether it's a door edge dent or just a regular door ding or minor dents in your car, you can definitely contact me here. My phone number is 763-780-4000, or just visit my website at exceldentremoval.com. I look forward to providing an excellent result for your vehicle. Now Now, if you like this video and you learned something and you want to see more paintless dent repair videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Obviously, if you like this video, hit that like button and continue to follow me here for more paintless dent repair videos. Thank you for watching.